Assalamualaikum dear students. Once again, welcome back to Qura Education System online classes. It's your English lecture and I am your English teacher Anam. Our today's topic is present indefinite active voice passive voice. You are well aware of active voice. Today we are going to learn about passive voice. What are active voice? Actually, active voice are the sentences we have already made in our present indefinite simple tense sentences. Okay? So we will learn about passive today. But before that, we have to learn the definition of voices. Voice is a form of verb which shows whether the subject of a sentence performs an action or receives an action. Okay, it is about subject. Is it performing an action or receiving an action? Is it doing an action or the action is being performed on that subject? So, making of present indefinite active voice and passive voice. First, we will discuss active form. Active subject plus verb plus object. Subject, the one who is doing an action or doer. Verb, action words. Object on which we are doing our work. Ali eats an apple. Ali, subject, eats, verb, object, apple. Okay. Passive subject, which was our object in our active sentence, is rm with use for present helping verb. Third form of verb will be used by plus doer, means your previous subject. Example for that, an apple is eaten by Ali. An apple is eaten by Ali. Before moving to the examples, we have few things to remember. And those things are, in active, we use first form of verb, and in passive, we use third form of verb. You have already uh, observed that I have used first form of verb in active, and in passive, I have used third form of verb. Next one is to make passive, we use is rm with third form of verb in present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense, in present indefinite tense, we are using helping verbs in passive, not in active. Okay? We are using first form in active, but third form in passive. Okay? Understand more clearly with the help of this example. Alia likes apples. Alia likes apples. So apple is object over here. Apples will become subject in your passive. Alia was your subject. It will become your object here. By Alia. Okay. Likes will become is sorry, because we are using plural over here, so R will come. Are liked. Third form of like is liked. Are liked by Alia. Apples are liked by Alia. Okay. Next example. He employs a servant. He employs a servant. A servant was your object. It will become the subject. He will become the third person. Him, and employs will become is employed. A servant is employed by him. Here are a few more examples for you to understand it better. My mother washes clothes. My mother washes my clothes. My clothes are washed by my mother. My clothes are washed by my mother. Second is, we celebrate the golden jubilee of our school. The golden jubilee of our school is celebrated by us. Okay. This was end of our lecture. If you have any query according to the lecture, you can contact us on the given information. You have our contact number also. Please like and share our YouTube channel. There are my more many videos also on that channel. You can please check that out also to understand clearly tenses. Please like my videos, and this is our page. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.